All right, hunters, strap in and hold tight. A new king of hunting calibers is rising, and one of these rounds is about to shake the damn ground under your boots. We're diving deep into the raw power, gut-punching ballistics, and dead-on accuracy of the baddest hunting cartridges of 2026. From old-school legends to new beasts rewriting the rulebook. This ain't no Sunday stroll through the woods. Big game, small game, doesn't matter. We're exposing the calibers that dominate the wild. And the #1 spot? It's so fierce, it'll make you rethink your entire setup. Load up. Chamber that first round. Let's roll. Number 5. The 400 Legend, the regulatory rockstar. The 400 Legend isn't just a cartridge, it's a revolution built for hunters trapped by straight-wall rules. Launched by Winchester in 2023, this rimless powerhouse fires a 215-grain bullet at 2,230 feet per second, delivering a crushing 2,374 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. Designed specifically for Midwestern states like Ohio and Michigan, where bottleneck rounds like the 30-30 are banned. The 400 Legend offers 450 Bushmaster energy with far less recoil. Think of it as a .308 Winchester with a bigger .4 caliber punch. Perfect for deer and hogs, it thrives in bolt action and AR-15 platforms, dominating dense woods out to 200 yards. Its rimless case feeds flawlessly, and ammo availability is booming thanks to Winchester and Federal. Hunters praise its ability to drop game cleanly under 150 yards, cementing the 400 Legend as the go-to choice for straight-wall states. A true regulatory rock star for 2026. Number 4. The 360 Buckhammer, the lever-action revival. Meet the 360 Buckhammer, a cartridge that brought the lever-action rifle roaring back to life. Remington dropped this gem in 2023, and hunters haven't stopped talking since. Built from a 30-30 Winchester parent case, the Buckhammer sends a 180-grain core-locked screaming at 2,400 feet per second, pumping out 2,320 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. That's heavier and faster than the classic 30-30. Legal in straight-wall-only states. This round blends tradition and innovation perfectly. It hits as hard as the old .35 Remington, but with more reach and more modern performance. With about 14 foot-pounds of recoil, it's still manageable. And when chambered in Henry lever guns, you get that old-school feel with modern stopping power. The 360 Buckhammer's flat trajectory out to 200 yards makes it deadly in thick brush and timber. Hunters love its quick follow-up shots and reliability, proving that this cartridge has breathed new life into the lever-action legacy. Number 3. The 338 ARC, the subsonic sledgehammer. Now this one's a beast of a different breed. The 338 RAC is a subsonic powerhouse, built for hunters who crave stealth, suppression, and sheer knockdown force. Designed for AR-15 platforms, it pushes 225-grain, 338 bullets at around 1,050 feet per second, generating massive close-range energy. Pair it with a suppressor, and you've got near-silent devastation. Perfect for night hunts, hogs, and thick cover. Compared to the 300 Blackout, the 338 ARC hits harder, driving nearly twice the bullet weight into game at 150 yards or less. It's not built for long range, it's built to hit like a freight train up close. Recoil? Barely noticeable. Noise? Whisper quiet. Performance? Lethal. Hunters love it for its deep penetration, low recoil, and minimal meat damage, a perfect mix for ethical, efficient kills. Ammo options are expanding fast as Hornady and others refine subsonic hunting loads. In short, the 338 ARC-C is a specialized monster. Not for everyone, but for those who hunt smart, quiet, and close. It's a subsonic sledgehammer that's changing the game in 2025. Number 2, the 2.5 Creedmoor, the Precision Predator. Meet the .25 Creedmoor, the Precision Predator redefining small caliber performance in 2026. Born from the legendary 6.5 Creedmoor bloodline and SAAM approved by Hornady, this round is a marksman's dream, engineered for flat shooting precision and feather-light recoil. It fires sleek 257-inch bullets like the 110-grain ELDX, blazing downrange at 3,000 feet per second and punching out 2,199 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. That's surgical accuracy with enough stopping power to anchor deer, antelope, and varmints alike. With recoil lighter than a .270 Winchester, hunters can stay on target longer and shoot with confidence at ranges pushing 500 yards. Its high ballistic coefficient keeps wind drift minimal. And even at half a kilometer, it still carries over 1,100 foot-pounds of energy, rivaling calibers much larger in size. Compared to the old 2506 Remington, the .25 Creedmoor fits short-action rifles, cutting rifle weight for those grueling mountain hunts. It's an ideal match for ultralight setups like the Springfield 2020 Waypoint, coming in under 7 pounds and printing sub-MOA groups right out of the box. Ammo availability from Hornady and Nosler means you've got plenty of options, whether you're punching paper or hunting predators across open plains. In 2025, the .25 Creedmoor stands as a trifecta of precision, portability, and power. It's the cartridge for hunters who demand accuracy over flash, and performance that speaks for itself. Number 1. The 7mm Backcountry, the Speechless King. Now for the one that's got the entire hunting world talking. The 7mm Backcountry, 2026 undisputed king of hunting calibers. Built for mountain hunters, long-range marksmen, and anyone who refuses to compromise. This round takes everything you love about the 7mm Magnums, then trims the fat. It fires 140-grain bullets at a screaming 3,100 feet per second, producing 2,987 foot-pounds of muzzle energy from a short-action rifle. That's Magnum-level performance, without the bulk, recoil, or barrel length of a traditional 7mm Rem Mag. With a shortened 7mm Remington Magnum case, the 7mm Backcountry fits into compact, lightweight rifles, a game-changer for anyone trekking high-altitude terrain. It hits with 1,500 foot-pounds of energy at 400 yards, making it a lethal choice for deer, elk, or even moose. Compared to the 7mm PRC, the Backcountry is more efficient in shorter barrels, delivering nearly identical ballistics with less recoil and better portability. Its high ballistic coefficient cuts through wind like a laser, ensuring pinpoint accuracy at long range. Ammo options from Federal and Hornady feature bonded, deep-penetrating bullets for big game reliability, while rifles like the Seekins Precision Havoc Slam are pushing sub-MOA precision straight from the factory. At roughly 12 foot-pounds of recoil, it's gentle enough for younger shooters, yet deadly enough for grizzlies. That's not just versatility, that's dominance. Hunters call it the speechless king for a reason. Because after that first trigger pull, you're left staring downrange, wondering how something so light can hit so damn hard. In 2026, the 7mm backcountry doesn't just earn the crown. It redefines what a hunting caliber can be.